Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Asana with LinkedIn tasks for hiring managers, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Asana website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, locate the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Select Apps to browse available integrations. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and find the LinkedIn integration. Click on the LinkedIn integration option to view more details. You will see an Add to Asana button, click on it. A new window will prompt you to authorize the connection. Proceed by clicking Authorize to allow Asana access to your LinkedIn account. Log in to your LinkedIn account if prompted. Review the permissions requested by Asana and click Allow. After authorization, you will be redirected back to Asana. Check that LinkedIn appears in your list of connected apps. Now, create a new project or open an existing project within Asana. In the project view, look for the Add Task option. Click on Add Task to begin adding LinkedIn tasks. Title the task clearly to reflect its purpose, such as Review LinkedIn Applicants. Include any additional details in the task description. You can assign the task to your team members by clicking on the Assignee field. Choose the appropriate team member from the drop-down list. Set a due date for the task if necessary by clicking on the Date field. To add more tasks, repeat the process as needed. Once you've added all your LinkedIn tasks, organize them by priority or category. Utilize Asana's labels or tags to categorize your tasks for easy reference. Share the project with your team by clicking the Share button. Enter the email addresses of your team members and click Send Invite. As your team completes tasks, ensure they update Asana regularly. Monitor the progress of your tasks through Asana's dashboard. Use the comments section within each task for updates and communication. Regularly review your LinkedIn tasks to stay on top of your hiring process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.